Okay, now we have downloaded and logged in to Second Life, and you are currently at the welcome screen. What I'm typing in the top left box is ASU Center Digital Initiative. Sometimes it's quite difficult to read on YouTube, but ASU Center Digital Initiative. And then you see I'm going to click on teleport here. Now we have teleported to the ASU CDI site. Shortly, a destination board will pop up to see if they're in front. Arkansas history is the selection we choose. It's top, second from left. You click on that one. Here it comes. Arkansas history class. Click, and then you click on yourself. As you see, what it's telling you is to click on the beam. And we click on the beam. Then we are teleported to Arkansas History's Wilson Hall, which is the virtual reality version of the building that's actually on campus in Jonesboro. As you see, you get note cards as you come by. One is the history, one is the Department of History. You'll pick up one the first time for Wilson Hall itself. Arkansas History is using the classroom on the right and the classroom on the left as you walk in. We're going to walk up to the third floor, where we will meet our robot greeter. You can click on Robot Danny, and he'll give you some options to this note. The note card is actually was written by the author of your textbook for World 6, Traditions and Encounters. As you see on the second floor, we're not actually a classroom environment. We have roundtable discussions. We sit around on the bench. On the left, you see the roundtable discussion schedule, and then you can, on the far side, you see a piece of paneling. That is an error on my part. It should show you a website, so I'll work on that. Just showing you, you can actually see through the windows, and outside, if people were walking around out there, you could actually see. This is a fully functional building. We've cut it up to use it as needed for the different courses. Here's the piece of paneling, and when I was actually recording the video for this, I was thinking, what the heck? But I'll work on it. What I'm going to show you here is how to change the preferences for your quality of video. Currently I have it on medium. I'm going to set it to high. If your computer is very slow and causing you problems, move this slider down. Okay? I just happened to move it up one, thinking that may have been the problem before I found out what was actually wrong. Okay, next I think I'm going to take you to Versailles to show you how to get to the Versailles website for some of us are having a bonus activity. And what I'm going to type into the search bar up at the top, where we typed ASU Digital Initiative before, now we're going to type Versailles. Hit enter. And here, the correct one is the second one on the list. Now, when we pop up in Versailles, we're going to pop up into a market area. Feel free, kick around and do what you want. Visit with people. If you see somebody, they may want to talk to you. Uh, but I'm going to walk you up to the front gates of Versailles, and then let you go from there. It is incredibly difficult to get logged on to Second Life and learn this technology, but once it's done, once you've got the basics mastered, then the virtual world is yours for the taking. The difficult part is setting up the software, getting your computer to run it, and learning how to walk in a straight line. And as you see, sometimes even on my computer, where I have a very fast system and good internet, sometimes it's slow to res up some of these worlds. Sometimes you just have to wait. Patience is definitely a virtue in Second Life. Now here I'm waiting just for two reasons. One, I want to let the gates res up. To open the gates, you click on them with your mouse and they'll open. I think I typed something for you here so that you can read. I'm going to tell you. I don't remember exactly what I typed, so let me tell you what I wanted you to do in Versailles. I want you to walk around and look. I want you to report back what you learned in the virtual world that you couldn't learn in a book. Okay, well, what can you learn in the virtual world you couldn't learn in a book? Probably not a whole heck of a lot. But what you do get from this is you get a sense of size, shape, dimension. Uh, who would have thought that the gates of Versailles were 40 feet tall? You can look up, you can look around and behind and see if you go to the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. for some reason. You can walk around the back of it and see what the back of it looks like. These World Heritage sites, people have taken great pains to provide you with 100% accuracy. We use it for an educational tool. Back in Wilson Hall on the third floor where we walked up, we saw the round table discussion. There is normally a board up there that you can click and travel to all of the World Heritage sites. Thank you.